Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Huawei P30 Pro with a cracked display and it's looking pretty bad. It's flickering all over the place. Let's go fix it. So this Huawei P30 Pro, you can see there's a crack. It looks like something was dropped on top of the display, or it might be stabbed. There's a single point where the crack originated from, and that caused a lot of issues. So half of the display is flickering with a bright white light. The other one, you can still see something, but it's not really usable in the long term. So we have already removed the back cover, and we are unscrewing the first layer of screws that we can find. Yeah, we need to get tweezers out to pull it out, and I think this is quite common for mid-range smartphones. You can see the screws are not really precisely embedded in the plastic and metal components. We'll remove the cover for the main board. The main board is on top. You can see there with the camera system. This is the wireless charging module. And there's a battery, the main board, the battery, and then daughter board at the bottom. You can also see a very wide flex cable going over the battery that's connecting the daughter board to the main board, and we'll detach that and put that to the side. So you can also see the antenna cables on the side here. So you can see the construction on this one. Unlike Samsung's, even the Samsung's entry-level smartphones, you don't have antenna cables like this one. And we'll remove the daughter board and another daughter board. We'll unscrew the main board and detach it from the main housing. And the last component to be taken off, the major component, is the battery. We have a pull tab here that we can use to pull out the battery safely. And just by sheer force, David has managed to pull it out without any alcohol. Battery is still good. This is our replacement display and housing. So we are gonna replace it with a different color. This is a black housing. So nothing really is gonna change except for the color, because this is still for the P30 Pro. So the client is not really fuzzy about color choices. This is like a light blue, silver blue, and we have to remove components from the old display, just like this fingerprint scanner under the display, because the replacement display doesn't come with the fingerprint scanner. So you just transplant everything. So everything that you see here on the table, we have to go inside this new housing. So it's like Legos for professional technicians. So if you plan to DIY this repair and you're not sure if you can finish it, and this is quite complicated for beginners or enthusiasts, this is quite complicated. You have to remove everything and transfer them to a new housing, and sourcing the right components as well. Sourcing the right replacement display is also gonna be tricky. You might find that this is for a different model. So your best choice for less hassle is professional servicing from a repair center. So we're now gonna put back the screws for the main board. We have attached the main board, the battery, the daughter board, and the antenna cables and the flex cables. Next thing, we're gonna put back the covers. We have put back the SIM card tray, and we haven't really tested the display yet, so it will be a gamble, because unlike other smartphones, you can test the replacement display by attaching it to the main board, but this time it's not really possible because the display is attached to the housing itself. So without everything connected inside the housing, you can't really tell if the replacement display is good or bad. So we'll put back all the screws, and now it looks like the client bought a new smartphone, because it's got brand new housing and brand new front display. The only thing that's a bit scratched up is the back cover, because it's what came with this smartphone from the factory. And this is the moment truth. Turn this on. And boom, you can see there, Huawei logo. Peel off this plastic. And look at that. Look at that gorgeous thing. So we'll wait for this to boot up. It's gonna take a while, but so far it's promising. Do we have the passcode? I think we do have. There you go. Gonna test it. It's still initializing, so it's quite laggy, but yep, I'm liking it. Cameras are all working. That's David there. Thank you, David. There you go. We just covered this up with the back cover. It's still the pearl blue, but it's okay. Coupled with the black one, it's kind of very contrasty pairing. Nothing really wrong there, and this is gonna be good to go for another 2 to 5 years. So thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.